Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do weekly love reading for Capricorn Earth sign for the month of November, and this is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see Capricorn, your messages for the week, and this is general. Take what resonate and leave the rest. Okay, so let's see your first card for the reading, Justice, Ten of Wands, the Moon. I think for some there is no communication or less communication between both of you, Capricorn, between you and your person. One person cut the other person off. Yeah, I think it's you, Capricorn, because there are some disturbances between both of you, some secrets hidden in this connection. Maybe your person something hide something from you, or you maybe hide something from your person. Definitely there are some disturbances, and one person feeling overburdened in this connection. Ten of Wands. Yeah, but I think justice, you or your person could be Libra, but one person asking second chance. It could be you or your person, energy could be vice versa, but the one person who cut other person off is you, Capricorn. So energy could be vice versa. So take what resonate. You or your person could be Pisces also, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Let's see some more. The Lovers, the Tower, yes, Magician. Yeah, one person in this connection may be manipulator. They are playing games, because magician sometimes refers considered as manipulator also. Yeah, the Tower moment, something for some there is separation also happened between both of you. One person undergoing some Tower moment in this connection, or you both could be undergoing, because due to separation. And the Lovers is here. Definitely there is some love and intimacy between both of you. You or your person could be Gemini also. Yeah, and one person wants second chance and then trying to manifest their person back again in their life. The magician energy, it could be you or your person, energy could be vice versa. So let's see some more what is going. Five of Cups, Two of Wands, Nine of Cups. Yeah, one person is feeling very, very sad for the separation. Five of Cups is here. They are feeling very, very sad. I think it's your person I am getting. Okay. I think it's your person. Capricorn feeling very, very sad for the separation. They are thinking about you a lot. Two of Wands, or you are thinking about your person a lot. And yes, with Nine of Cups, wish fulfillment. Definitely, if your person want you back, they are wishing for this connection. They are in magician energy. Definitely, their wishes are going to be granted. Or if you are in magician energy, your wishes are going to be granted. Yeah, one person manifesting their connection back. So let's see some more. You or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. King of Wands, Wheel of Fortune, Chariot. Yeah, King of Wands, Wheel of Fortune and Chariot. I think you stand by your power, Capricorn. Definitely things are turning in your favor. The Chariot. Yeah, you are... you want to concentrate on another area of your life, like career and finances. Definitely, because things are turning in your favor. For some, your person want to take this relationship to next level. Definitely they want you back, but some Tower moment, one person feeling very burdened in this connection, but that person thinking about the other person a lot. Two of Wands, and this could be long distance relationship also. So let's say your person current feelings and then near future actions towards you, then we will get more clarity. So let's see your person current feelings, Capricorn. The Fool. Wow, Nine of Cups and Six of Pentacles. I think the one person who wants second chance in this connection is your person. Capricorn, and the person who stand by their power is you. Yeah, you cut them off because there is no equal give and take in past. The one person who put a lot of effort in this connection is you, Capricorn. Now your person want to invest on this connection. They want a brand new beginnings with you, a full card new beginnings. They want to take a leap of faith. And your person is in manifesting energy because they are in going with the flow. Definitely your person right now manifesting you back in their life again. And 9 of Cups with 6 of Pentacles. Now they want to offer equal give and take in this connection. 9 of Cups, they are wishing for this connection, and definitely most of you are going to be given second chance to your person because their wishes are going to be fulfilled, because 2 times 9 of Cups is here. Definitely 6 of Pentacles this time. They are very serious about to offer equal give and take. So let's see the near future actions towards you, Capricorn. This is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. Take what resonate and leave the rest. So the near future, 7 of Swords, 5 of Wands, wow, 3 of Swords. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Feelings are very differ from actions, so much difference. 5 of Wands, definitely your person, I think they are fighting for your attention, but you stand by your power. They are very pain, they are heartbroken without you after the separation. Capricorn, your person like this. 7 of Swords, I think your person maybe in past lied to you, cheated on you. Definitely there is some miscommunication, false communication. You feeling that that's why you cut them off from your life, or you don't talk to your person right now because you ghosted your person, because they are 7 of Swords, they are some sneaky energy, they are playing some mind games. Yeah, so if it is any third party situation, please be careful before giving second chance, because 7 of Swords is sneaky energy. If it is not third party situation, there are some general misunderstandings, then it is okay. But if it is third party, definitely you have to think twice before giving any chance to other person. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future. You or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Yeah, King of Cups, the Magician, 2 times Magician card in this reading. Nine of Wands, 9 of Pentacles. Yeah, your person has strong emotions for you, Capricorn. It is your person, they are manifesting you back, the Magician. Yeah, and 9 of Wands with 9 of Pentacles, it's you. You stand by your power, you are working towards your career, you guarded up right now, because in past you put a lot in this connection, but right now you are working towards your career and your goals. Definitely you are going to achieve this success, because 9 of Cups 2 times, definitely your wishes are going to be granted, Capricorn. Yeah, this is very good energy and positive energy. But your person manifesting you back. For some, you are giving second chance also. For some, if it is third party, it's up to you totally. You or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sag, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. But your person wants second chance. Definitely, they want to offer equal give and take this time. But it's up to you, because 7 of Swords is here. You have to take your decision based on your situation. Okay. So let's see your overall energy for the week, Capricorn. The Devil, your card, 4 of Swords and 3 of Pentacles. Yes. So if they are genuine, if there is no third party, you are ready to collaborate with your person, you are ready to offer partnership. And yeah, right now you are not talking to your person, because Justice, Libra is also, you cut them off. You are thinking about your person but not talking to your person right now. Your card, the Devil, Capricorn. Yeah, but definitely there is some obsession going between both of you. Your person may be obsessed with you, or you may be obsessed with your person. 4th card, yeah, 10 of Swords. Some cycles are going to be, and some new cycles are going to be begin for some. Let's see your person overall energy for the week. The Sun, wow, Queen of Wands, 10 of Swords and 6 of Wands. Yeah, they want success in this connection. 2 times you also got 10 of Swords. Definitely there are some endings and some brand new beginnings. New cycles going to be begin between both of you. Queen of Wands, they are very, very passionate about you. The Sun, wow. They are very, very hopeful for this connection. They eagerly waiting for second chance with you. Definitely they are hoping positive results from your side, Capricorn. So it's up to you to give second chance to your person or not, because Seven of Swords is here and Five of Wands. Definitely they are fighting for your attention. They are waiting for second chance. It's up to you, Capricorn. So this is the reading for you, Capricorn. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys, and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you. Bye.